Let's create some notifications in Unity. First, import the notification package by going to Window, Package Manager. Make sure your packages are sorted by Unity registry. Search for notifications and install the mobile notifications package. Now we are ready to create a basic notifications script. Let's create a new Android notification channel called channel with ID, name, importance, and description. For this example, we will use pretty basic values. Now let's register the notification channel to activate it. Now that we created the channel, we can add a notification to it. Start by creating a new Android notification, set a title and a text. To put the notifications icon, first make sure your image has read-write enabled. Now let's go to the project settings, mobile notifications. Click on the plus to add a notification icon and add your icon. We have two types, small and large. Large can be colored, but small have to be in black and white format. You can find all the details in the box here above. It's just good practice to change the name for something meaningful. Hey, it's me from the future. I just got an error because apparently you can't use uppercase letters, so don't use them and good luck. Now we can set the notifications small and large icons. To activate the notification, we will use timed notifications. There are other ways to do this, but in this tutorial we will focus on this one. We will set the fire time of this notification to 1 minute from now. Now we need to send the notification through the channel that we created before. In the scene, create an empty object to put the script on. While I tried to create a demo app, I ran into a few problems. So here are all the things you have to watch out for. To fix the minimum API level error, go to the player settings and change the minimum API to 21. After you build the app, if the notifications are not showing, go to player settings and under publish settings, make sure to enable these two properties. That will create a Grendel and proguard files in your project. Open the proguard file using any text editor. Just paste those lines of code. You can find them in the description. Save the files and build again. And that's it, you're done. If you have any questions, comment them or join my Discord and ask there. And if not, come join me in the next video to learn how to do daily rewards in your game, so our notification may actually have a point. See you later, bye!